One of the things that I sometimes hear from traders is that, hey, I've tried all the mentors, I've tried Forex gurus, I've tried all the Forex gurus. None of it has worked for me. All those Forex gurus are scammers. All those Forex gurus are fakes. They just took my money and I'm still not profitable. I always answer the problem is not with the Forex guru, it's actually with you. Let's talk about it. By the way, if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, make my day. Please make my day. Just like this video. If you have thoughts on this subject, please leave your comment in the comment section below. If you're looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. So let's get back to the video. Somebody says, I've tried most of the Forex mentors, I've tried most of the trading gurus, I've tested all their trading, nothing seems to work, I'm still not profitable, I'm not making money. I've not made any money that I invested with those people. Those people are scammers. They just stole my money and gave nothing back. It's an understandable frustration. Trust me, it's an understandable frustration, and probably many people are going through the same thing. But here is my answer. The problem is actually not with the Forex mentors or the Forex gurus that you have tried. Did you get me? The problem is not with them, it's actually with you. Of course, there are scammers out there. There are fake gurus. That's the first thing that you start noticing in trading. That most of these mentors, most of these gurus, basically are not what they say they are. But the problem is also not entirely with them. The problem I've noticed is also with traders, especially beginning traders. Why? Because you guys tend to do what I've always spoke against: mentorship hopping, trading strategy hopping. You find that the problem sometimes is actually not the mentor or the trading strategy per se, but because you are jumping from one mentor to the next, you are jumping from one trading style to the next, you are jumping from one trading strategy to the next without even gaining consistency or gaining an understanding of one strategy first. You are just hopping from one thing to the next, hopping from one thing to the next. You are not giving yourself time to see whether that thing actually works, or if it doesn't, or how you can actually tweak it to work for you, or how you can actually better the odds using that trade. Trust me, most of the successful traders have only had one good mentor, one good strategy. They know of one good strategy, and they hunt for maybe one or only two setups in the trading in the markets. When they open their charts, they're probably only hunting for head and shoulder setup, or they're probably hunting for W or M setup. That's it. Or they are probably just looking for flags. That's it. They don't like today they are looking for flags. Tomorrow they are doing for M and W patterns. Tomorrow they are looking for Fibonacci retracements. Tomorrow they are looking for another thing, support and resistance. Tomorrow they are looking at why you are now blaming mentors and gurus. The mentors and gurus that you've come across, I am not saying they are not fakes, I'm not saying they are scammers, but I'm saying also look at yourself. What you need is to get one mentor, understand the way they trade, give yourself time to actually trade the way they do, to do the things that they say, their strategy, how it works, probably you're going to take 6 months to actually have a deep grasp of their strategy. If they've got a course, if they've got a strategy that they use, probably give yourself 3 to 6 months to really dig deep into understanding that one strategy. If it's supply and demand, if it's support and resistance, you give yourself 3 months, 6 months to understand the ins and the outs of how your mentor trades support and resistance. You give yourself time to understand the concept of support and resistance, supply and demand, however you call it, however your mentor calls it. If your mentor is trading with Fibonacci, you give yourself 3-6 months to really dig deep and understand Fibonacci, their Fibonacci strategy in and out. Your problem is this week you are trading Fibonacci. Next week you are trading supply and demand. The following week you are trading trend lines. The next week you are trading something else, and you are doing the same thing with your mentors. You have got 5 mentors who are trading different things. You find where supply and demand probably was giving you 60% win rate. Now that you are diluting it with Fibonacci, your win rate goes down to 40% or 50%. Then on top of that, you are adding trend lines or whatever you are adding, and you find at the end of the day you have really brought down a strategy that was winning 60%. You have really brought it down to 30% because you have mixed it with a whole lot of other things, a whole lot of other concepts that you are getting from many other different sources, many other different mentors. My challenge to you is choose one mentor, test their strategy, give it time, understand it, the ins and the outs of that strategy, understand how that mentor trades, fully understand how they do it. Then make a judgment from there whether you want to leave them and find another mentor, or you want to continue improving on whatever you have learned from that mentor. I've basically been trading a single strategy, the strategy that I've shown you part of it, what you are looking at currently. I've been trading this for the past year and a half. I've had no regrets. Previous years when I started trading, I was also doing this hopping thing. It never got me anywhere. I was, especially when it comes to indicators and stuff and systems, I think I tested thousands. It never got me anywhere. I was looking for the Holy Grail. I did not find it until I settled on one concept: supply and demand. Supply and demand, the core concept of the market. That's what I focus on. I'm not saying my concept is the one that makes money. No, there are people who are making money with Fibonacci. There are people who are making money with moving average crosses. There are people who are making money with clear charts. They just trade price action. There are people who are trading various concepts, and they are still making money because they have been consistent with that one strategy. And you are busy hopping from one strategy to the next, from one mentor to the next, from one thing to the next. You get where things are going wrong with you. So don't always blame the mentors. Don't always blame. Of course, there are scammers out there. There are fake gurus out there. But sometimes the problem is just with you. Stop hopping from one thing to the next. Find consistency with one thing. If it's a strategy, learn the ins and outs of that single strategy. Learn from that one mentor. If you have thoughts about this subject, leave your comments in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.